as the transmission needs escalate. In the field of precision electronics, PEI is a high-performance engineering plastic. With 6 core advantages, it replaces traditional materials and becomes a new benchmark in the industry. 1. Natural flame retardant V0 at 1.5 ohm. 2. High temperature resistance, can be 160 to 180 degrees Celsius for long-term use. 3. Excellent mechanical properties, with high strength, high rigidity, very good abrasion resistance. 4. Excellent electrical insulation performance. 5. Chemical resistance. PEI material is optimized through molecular structure. The dielectric constant has been reduced to less than 3.01 GHz. It has become a key material for 5G connectors. Compared to PBT, PPS, etc., PEI can improve the connector lifecycle by 3 to 5 times. 92% reduction in failure rate in extreme cases. Reliability and cost effectiveness. Promote its penetration rate in the field of high-end electronic components to exceed 47%. It is mainly used in 5G communications, new energy vehicles, industrial automation, medical equipment, and aerospace. Follow Shanghai Visa. Take you to learn more about plastic raw materials.